Here's an SMC 42-inch ceiling fan spinner. Got this fan out of the trash on the way to an estate sale, probably last year sometime. Put this up here earlier in the summer, just cause. I actually got two fans out of there. I got this one and then another ceiling fan that I believe was made by Moss or something. But that one has that capacitor took a shit, so that one's dead. Both ceiling fans were definitely used outdoors, like on a porch or something. But yeah, the bearings are garbage on this, per SMC quality. Blades were bent up because it was fully assembled when it was thrown out. Did not come with any mounting hardware, so I had to get a little creative. I have it on this long pole chain. That way I can reach it. I'm pretty sure this is called the Vienna or something like that. I don't remember. The model number is X-42, and I believe this is from 1991. Yeah, this would have been a really interesting looking ceiling fan back in the day. It had this light kit on it. This kind of pancake style light kit on it, but unfortunately it kind of fell apart. So I removed it. Yeah, the situation there, I have a piece of wire hooked onto that screw there that goes into the down rod where there's a little there's like a little stud or whatever piece of metal going from one end to the other. I'm assuming that holds the ball for the ball and socket mount that this originally had, but I have the wire looped around there and then looped around that screw, and then that's mainly there just as a fail-safe or a backup mounting bracket just in case if that piece of wire fails. Also, it helps with the wobbling because this thing is a little bit out of balance. But yeah, I just have the wires going to that box, which that box is wired to that light, and then it's on circuit with the rest of these lights back here. But yeah, here's the other ceiling fan that I got from there. Excuse the buzz from the mercury vapor. But yeah, here it is. The information on that. This one's from 1988. Blades don't look too bad, at least that one doesn't. Pretty sure this one was from, I can't remember if this was from 87 or 88 or 1991. I'm pretty sure it's from 1991. Alrighty, enough yapping. Here is low. Bearings sound excellent. Medium. and high. I do like this install. It looks like some just throw together install that would have happened back in the day. Fits right in. Because most of those ceiling fans in here were just slapped onto the ceiling. There were never any ceiling fans out here, surprisingly. It's a decent breeze still. And I'm just going to leave it on because I always have it running on high. So, thanks for watching.